So that valve ticking issue I had, I'm gonna see if I can fix it. A couple people had mentioned bad gas or bad oil can cause the issue, or well, improper oil. So I just went out and bought some Rotella diesel oil. I'm gonna try putting that in there. It seems a little weird, some of you guys putting diesel oil in a well, gas engine car, but the diesel oil has zinc in it, which is what a lot of these older cars actually need for the lifters so they don't rattle and stuff. So I'm gonna do an oil change with that, and hopefully that'll fix my issues, and we'll see what happens. Now I just gotta figure out where the oil filter is. Hopefully it's somewhere easy. Well, luckily the oil filter is really close. It doesn't seem like there's any well, major oil leaks. Of course there's gonna always be the regular ones because it's an old ass car, but probably should have looked at replacing the fuel pressure sensor while I was at it, but oh well. We'll get started with draining the oil, and well, see what I can figure out. The oil level is a little low, but nothing major. But I'd rather just go ahead and redo it and get the new oil in there and see what happens, instead of adding oil to see if that lifter or knock goes away, whatever it is. So that does look pretty black. Yeah, this old oil, which I'm not surprised, or at least it's really dirty oil. Yeah, of course it's gonna be on there good. Oh. I'm gonna make myself get an aneurysm. I finally get that dang thing to spin. Hey, yeah, get myself an aneurysm doing that mess. You just gotta hold your tongue the right way, I suppose. Get the filter off. It's a pain in the ass. Just gonna hit it with some brake cleaner now. Alright, so I'm using the I'm gonna use the Motorcraft filter FL1A. I figured it's a Ford engine, why not use the Ford filter for it. So I did put some oil on this ring here, and putting some up here also, that'll help seal it. Now usually I like to date and put the miles on the filter, but I'm not too concerned with it right now, just in case I do have to change it again here soon. If that doesn't fix my lifter problem, I may just have to take apart the motor and go through some of it. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll just put a note in my phone. And just tighten the drain plug up and put my oil in. Alright, like I said, I'm using Rotella. It's diesel engine oil. I'm using the T4. I don't know what other people are gonna want to use or recommend, but I'm running the T4. Someone may recommend to use the T5 or T6, but I just wanted to go with this. It's gonna have more of the zinc in it just because it is diesel engine oil. At least that's what my research has told me. Well, I'm not seeing any leaks, no new ones. I don't know if you guys can hear the oil going through the engine to the oil pan. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick look real quick just to make sure nothing's still leaking. Still no new leaks. So I still have about a quart left and it's showing full, but the oil filter still isn't full yet either. So, and from what I understood, that oil filter takes about a quart of oil. I think I'm gonna go ahead and run the engine for a little bit and get some of the oil flowing, and then I'll top it off. Alright, seems to be full now. So let's see if the ticking subsides. If it doesn't, we'll take that valve cover back off and take another look at it. so it's a lot quieter. I'm gonna let the car warm up. I'll come back in like 10-15 minutes. I hope you can hear all of that, but be right back. Give it like 10-15 minutes, see if it still stays gone. All right, so something so simple, so dumb that I should have been able to figure that out without help, but I went full dumb, and yeah. So John at Stinkin' Lincoln, I appreciate it, man. As the input from you helped a lot, and I feel like I actually be able to drive this again for the first time in a few months. So I'm excited. Guys, if you don't know who he is and you like Lincoln stuff, Lincoln parts, check him out. Here's his Facebook. I don't know if he has YouTube, but if he does, I'll put that up here too. But other than that, it's we're good to go cruising now if I want, so I'm happy. I'm not sure if you enjoyed this video, but if you enjoy my content, here's the previous video of when I worked on the Lincoln regarding the valve tick issue. But you know, appreciate you guys watching. You know, give me a like, comment, I'd appreciate it. Anything helps, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.